Hi guys, this is John from WaltonsInc.com and this is Meatgistics. We've recently started trying to play around with putting different cheeses in the same product. And then Patrick had the great idea of why not try to make a 4-cheese pizza brat. So we were trying to figure out how we could make sure that each bite had all 4 cheeses in it. So we took our mozzarella, our cheddar, our hot pepper, and our ghost pepper cheese, and we went ahead and actually melted those. Took a while to get that done because obviously it's high temp cheese and it doesn't want to melt. But after we did that, we laid it out on a baking sheet and put it in the freezer to let it firm back up. Then we just went ahead and chopped it back into smaller pieces, and we just went ahead and made a brat the normal way we would. We ground it through a 3/8 and then a 3/16 plate, mixed everything all in together, and since this is a fresh brat, we actually mixed in our seasoning with the water so we wouldn't have to mix it that much and wouldn't risk getting any protein extraction. So then we went ahead and we just grilled them at 270 degrees until the internal temperature had reached 160. We got some buns and some pizza sauce, and let me tell you, these are amazing. People are gonna start doing this. It is awesome. This is the best tasting new thing we've done in a long time. The 4 cheeses work really well together. You get a really nice creaminess from the mozzarella. The cheddar is obviously that classic cheese taste. You're gonna get a little bit of spiciness from the hot pepper, and then the ghost pepper comes in. So all of those together in each bite is just amazing. Now, if kids are gonna eat this, I'd highly recommend you leave out that ghost pepper one. That is a really hot cheese, but you leave that out, anyone in your family is gonna love these. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit WaltonsInc.com and Meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with WaltonsInc.com, and I'll see you guys next time.
Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at WaltonsInc.com to find everything but the meat. Watch our latest sales and giveaway video by clicking here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.